Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we explore the very best products for creators, hobbyists, and everyday innovators. Today, we're diving into the best polymer clay set with tools that you can get your hands on right now. An all-in-one kit that's bursting with color, quality, and creative potential. Meet the Polymer Clay 52 Colors Oven Bake Set, an absolute game-changer for artists, kids, and crafters alike. Whether you're a seasoned sculptor or just starting out with clay modeling, this kit checks every single box. Right from the start, the presentation is eye-catching. 52 vibrant blocks of polymer clay neatly packed and ready for your next masterpiece. Each block is about 0.7 ounces, giving you plenty of material to experiment with, mix, or build into larger projects. That means less mess, more control, and an overall enjoyable sculpting experience. This makes it ideal for kids, but it's certainly not limited to them. With this kit, even professional artists will find the flexibility and detail they need. Now let's talk about the baking process. This is an oven-baked clay set, which means after you've molded your creation, just pop it in a conventional oven at 135 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes per 1/4 inch of thickness. It's that simple. No need for fancy equipment, just bake, cool, and you've got a solid, durable piece of art. But this isn't just a clay set, it's a complete creative toolkit. The package includes a great variety of accessories and tools to get your ideas from imagination to reality. Inside, you'll find sculpting tools that let you carve, detail, and texture with precision. You'll also get a rolling pin, clay molds, keychains, earring hooks, and ring blanks. Perfect if you're looking to make jewelry, keychains, or miniatures. This set is especially ideal for holiday gifting. Think Halloween figures, Christmas ornaments, or personalized keepsakes. With 52 colors to choose from, you'll never run short of inspiration or options. From pastels and metallics to bright primaries and rich neutrals, the variety is what truly makes this set shine. And here's something that adds extra value. It's non-toxic and safe for kids. Parents can relax knowing their children are engaging with a material that's both fun and compliant with safety standards. It's a tactile, screen-free activity that fuels creativity and boosts motor skills. Storage is easy, too. The clay doesn't dry out when exposed to air, so no rush, no pressure. Take your time, experiment, and save your leftovers for next time. To sum it all up, this Polymer Clay 52 Colors set offers tremendous versatility, quality, and fun. You're getting a complete experience, from raw clay to finished art, without needing to buy anything extra. It's affordable, well-packaged, and user-friendly. If you're looking for the perfect gift, a starter kit for a young artist, or just a well-stocked clay set for your next project, this is it. We highly recommend checking it out. That wraps up our look at the best polymer clay set with tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more honest, detailed reviews here on Product Critique. See you in the next video.